Next example is design a DFA that containing 3 consecutive zeros. Let's take the sigma for the language 0, 1. DFA that containing 3 consecutive zeros, that means 0, 0, 0 must be the substring for all the strings in the language. That means before this 0 it can have anything, and after this 0 it can have anything. So the minimum string in this language is 000. So let's define the DFA with it. Q0 on 0, it is moving to the state Q1, and Q1 is the non-final state because 0 should not be accepted. And Q1 on 0, it is moving to the state Q2, and Q2 is a non-final state because 0, 0 should not be accepted. Q2 on 0, it is moving to the state Q3, and Q3 is a final state because 000 must be accepted. This is the minimal string. And before this first 0, it can have any number of ones so that it will be in the same state, that is Q0. Any number of ones, and after that first 0 is seen, it is in the state Q1. On Q1, if it is seen 1, it has to go back to the state Q0. So Q1 on 1, it has to go back to the starting state, that is Q0. Suppose 2 consecutive zeros are seen. It will be in the state Q2. 2 consecutive zeros are seen. It will be in the state Q2. On Q2, if 1 is seen as an input symbol, it has to again go back to the starting state. So that Q2 on 1, it has to go back to the starting state, that is Q0. If 3 consecutive zeros are seen, it will reach the state Q3. On reaching Q3, if it has seen any number of zeros and ones, it will be in the same state and it is accepted. Next example is design a DFA that accepts the strings ending with 0, 1. Let us define the sigma for this language as 0, 1. Accepting the strings ending with 0, 1 means the last symbol must be 1 and last but one symbol must be 0. And 0, 1 is the minimum string of the DFA. Let us define the finite automata with the minimum string, that is 0, 1. Q0 on 0, it is moving to the state Q1, and Q1 is the non-final state because 0 should not be accepted by the finite automata. Q1 on 1, it is moving to the state Q2, and Q2 is the final state because 0, 1 should be accepted by the finite automata. Let us see some cases of the strings. The string can also start with 1. If some ones are seen, the string 4 ones should not be accepted by this finite automata. That means if it has seen any number of ones on Q0, it should be on the same state, that is Q0. Suppose 0 is seen, it is in the state Q1, so it is expecting 1 after that. And suppose after 0, if it has seen some 0 or some zeros, it should be in the same state and expecting 1 after that. So here we can design a Q1 on 0 with a loop. Suppose 0, 1 is seen, it is in the state Q2. On Q2, suppose 0 is seen. 0, 1 means it is accepted, that is in the final state Q2. On Q2, suppose 0 is seen, so that one more 1 should be expected here to accept this string because the string should end with 0, 1. So Q2 means already 0, 1 seen. On Q2, if 0 is seen, it is expecting 1 here. So Q2 on 0, it has to move to the state Q1 to expect 1 here. Next case is on Q2, suppose 1 is seen, it has to expect 0, 1 again here as the ending string. So Q2 on 1, it has to move to the starting state, that is Q0 with 1. Now this machine will accept only the strings which are ending with 0, 1. For this kind of languages, it is very difficult to define a DFA straight away. So that it is better to define NFA first for the given language, then it can be converted to DFA. It is an easy way of defining a DFA. Next example is design a DFA that not containing 101 as a substring. So first let us define the sigma for it, that is 0, 1. So to define such kind of DFAs, first we need to construct the DFA containing 101 as a substring, then we can reverse it. So to get that, all strings should have a substring as 101. So that means before this one it can have anything, after this one it can have anything. So 101 is the minimum string for the DFA. So first construct the DFA with the minimum string. So Q0 is the starting state and Q0 on 1 is moving to the state Q1, and Q1 is non-final state because 1 should not be accepted by the finite automata. Q1 on 0, it is moving to the state Q2, and Q2 is non-final state because 1, 0 should not be accepted by the finite automata. Q2 on 1, it is moving to the state Q3, and Q3 is a final state because 101 should be accepted by the finite automata. So let us work it on how to make this 101 as a substring. So before this 1, it can have any number of zeros. So any number of zeros it can have, then it can have 101 also. So that by seeing any number of zeros on Q0, it will be in the same state, that is Q0. And after some zeros, if 1 is seen, it will be in the state Q1. On Q1, suppose one more 1 is seen. It should be on the same state because there is a scope to reach the final state, that is Q3, and that means there is a scope to get 101 as a substring. So like this, if it has any number of 1s also, it should be in the same state, that is Q1. Suppose standing at Q2, that means already 10 is seen. Already 10 is seen. On 10, if it has seen 0, there is no scope to reach the final state, so it has to go back to the initial state. So Q2 on 0, it has to move to the initial state, that is Q0. Suppose 101 is already seen, so it has reached the final state Q3. On Q3, if it has seen any number of zeros and ones, it will be accepted. So now it is a diagram for all the strings having 101 as a substring. But the given question is DFA that not containing 101 as a substring. So now we need to reverse the states. Reverse the states means the states which are here as a non-final states must be converted to final state, and final state must be converted to the non-final state. And the directions as well as the input symbol should not be changed. So let us construct that. Now Q0 is a final state here and Q1 is a final state without changing the transition directions. And Q2 here it is a non-final state. So here we have to make it as a final state. And Q3 here it is a final state. So here we need to make it as a non-final state and here on 0, 1. And Q2 on 0 it should be connected with Q0. Now it is a DFA that not containing 101 as a substring. So when such type of questions are given like not containing, first we need to construct the string which is containing the DFA, then we have to reverse that. Reversing means we should not reverse the directions of transitions, only we need to reverse the states, that is non-final states to be converted to final states and final states must be converted to non-final state.